Hello everyone, welcome back to the Mix and Ball Homestead. My name is Liz and today I'm bringing you one of my favorite recipes. This roasted chicken recipe is so simple and delicious. This is my go-to recipe when I invite my friends over for dinner. You only need a few ingredients that you probably already have at home. So the first thing we're going to do is to start seasoning our chicken, and then we're going to let it marinate for about an hour. If you can marinate it longer, that would be perfect, but at least an hour. And I do apologize if you hear the little puppies in the background. They are inside of their cage and they want out, but there's no one to supervise them right now, and they'll go and tear up all my raised beds. You just don't want to know. Anyway, that's a subject for another video. So first thing we're going to do is I'm going to add some kosher salt. And I'm not adding too much salt because I'm going to be adding a different seasoning salt as well, which is this. Don't ask me how to pronounce it, so I'm just going to show you. I have no clue how to pronounce this, so I'm just going to sprinkle this over. I'm also going to add some cumin. I'm going to add some Italian seasoning. Onion powder, garlic powder. And you guys, I'm sorry, you know, I hardly ever cook with any recipes, but I'm assuming that's maybe about a tablespoon and a half or two of garlic powder and onion powder, and maybe about a teaspoon of cumin and about a tablespoon of the Italian seasoning. Salt is just to taste. I'm going to add some paprika and some red pepper flakes. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of sugar, maybe about half a teaspoon. Don't ask, my mama said we got to add it. And some soy sauce. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn this to the back, neck and all. Okay, I washed my hands, and now I'm going to add the exact same seasonings to the front. Just a little bit of kosher salt. Some of this Tony seasoning salt. Some cumin, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, red pepper flakes, and some soy sauce. Now to all of this, I'm going to go ahead and add this mixture. This is cilantro, olive oil, and ginger paste all mixed in here. So I'm going to use some for the front, and then I'll turn the chicken over and rub it all to the back. I want to make sure that everything is coated. You know, I gotta have cilantro. If it doesn't have cilantro, I don't know. It may not taste good to me. Okay, so now that I got all of that rubbed in, go ahead and turn it over, and I'm going to add the rest. And you guys, don't be afraid of getting your hands dirty. Get your hands dirty. That's the best part of cooking. at least for me. Now, so I'm gonna go ahead and tuck this chicken wings under. Let me wash my hands. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this breast side down, and I'm gonna cover it with foil, and I'm gonna bake this for 35 minutes covered. Okay, everyone, so the chicken has been cooking for 35 minutes. The timer just went off. I'm gonna go ahead and uncover it. Okay, so we're only at 140 or below 140, so I'm gonna go ahead and allow this. And I'm gonna go ahead and allow this to cook a little bit longer. Just go ahead and baste this. I always cook my grilled chicken breast side down because I like the chicken breast to retain the moisture. Oh, those puppies need to go out. Let me get my daughter to get them out of the cage. I just don't like the puppies up and about when I am cooking. No pet hair. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave this uncovered, and I'm gonna cook it for another 15 minutes uncovered and see where we at. Our chicken only has like 5 more minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and start cooking the vegetables. So that's about a tablespoon plus of coconut oil, and this is the type of oil that I use from Walmart. Our coconut oil is nice and hot, so I'm gonna go ahead and start putting in my vegetables. I'm gonna start with the onions. This is jumping everywhere. Let me turn this to like medium low. I had it up too high. Okay, so now I'm going to add the rest of my vegetables. I'm going to add some mushrooms. And I'm just cutting them in half. To this, I'm going to go ahead and add some red bell pepper, yellow bell peppers, and some cilantro, as well as a little bit of green onions that I have left over. I'm going to mix all this together. So I went ahead and added some broccoli. Okay, so to this, I'm going to just add a pinch of kosher salt, some garlic powder, some onion powder, and some freshly ground black pepper. I'm going to go ahead and give this all a mix. And these veggies are ready. I'm going to go ahead and set this aside, and let's go ahead and check our chicken. And here is our finished product. I hope you have enjoyed this tender, juicy, and golden delicious chicken recipe. It is absolutely delicious. Just look at how tender this chicken breast is. That's another reason why I love to bake my chicken breast side down. And this neck right here, yep, my favorite part of the chicken. I thank you all for hanging out in the kitchen with me today. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. And until next time, may the Lord bless you. May the Lord keep you is my prayer for you. Y'all have a wonderful day.